create a Dutch braid, all you need to do is create a deep side parting and brush the hair to the side. Take 3 small strands from the front and begin to braid each strand of hair under each other as you see here. Once you've done that, you begin to add hair as you braid along the side, slowly adding more hair as you go along. Make sure you're crossing at the middle section. We only want to take this braid back to a certain point because we want it to remain simple and understated. So once you reach that point, you stop adding hair and simply finish the braid in traditional fashion. To keep it secure, make sure you pin it in place and let the hair fall beside it. And there you have it.